Hello, I'm Umberto Reggiani. I'm the sales director of Clevertech Group. I joined the Clevertech organization in 2002 as a sales area manager, and then I was following mainly different countries around the world, especially Southeast Asia and Europe. Then I moved to North America, and from 2008 I took the responsibility of Clevertech Worldwide as a sales director. It has been an incredible journey. So the company in these 10 years grew in an incredible way, and we moved from a small family company around $10 million total sales to a record year last year with over $80 million US dollar as a total sales.